Hello guys, my name is Rohan and today we are going to learn about the palindrome number program. So let's get started. So what is palindrome number? It is a number that remains the same when the digits of the number are reversed. Means, for example, take a look at here. If we read these digits from the front side or from its back side, it remains. It is it is same. Okay, from the front side as well as back side. Another example is 1 2 3 2 1. When we read from the front side or from its back side, it remains the same. Similarly, this example. So to write down the logic of this program in Java, let's get started with the first we have to create a main method. Okay, then we have to store one given number into a variable. We will store it into the n. Okay, 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, so this variable is assigned. Okay, so to reverse this number, and at the end we have to match the logic of this number with the reverse number. Okay, so to reverse this number we have to take the digits of this number one by one. Okay, so for that we have to take two different variables called as int reminder. We will assign the value of reminder to 0, and int reverse number. Okay, so the reverse, so this number after getting reverse will get stored into this variable called as reverse. Okay, so we have to create a while loop for this. Okay, and condition will be while n is greater than 0. Okay, so after in this while loop, so first of all we have to take the digits of this number one by one. Okay, so for that we have to store in the reminder variable, and the logic is divide. This is a modulo operator. It will divide this number by 10 and take this reminder number 1, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 1, one by one, and we'll store it into the reminder variable. Okay, and then we have to store each and every reminder into the reverse variable. Okay, so for that we have to write down the logic like into 10 plus reminder. Okay, and then the last logic. Okay, we have to, and after every cycle we have to divide that number by 10. Okay, okay, and after this loop we have to write down the logic of if else condition. Okay, to compare this reverse number and this n number. Okay, so to compare this number we have to store this n, we have to store this number into another variable. We will call it as palindrome number. Okay, so int palindrome equal to n. Okay, so this number we will, so this variable we will compare it with the reverse number. Okay, so for that we have to write down the logic like palindrome equal to reverse. If it is true, then print it is palindrome number, else it is not a palindrome number. Okay, so we have to check this palindrome. Okay, so by mistakenly I have spelled this spelling wrong. Okay, okay, so we have to take the equal to operator, because if we are comparing the two variables, then we have to take the equals operator. Okay, so after running this program, okay, so yeah, the output is, it is a palindrome number. Okay, and we will check with another example like 545. Okay, after saving it, then run it. For shortcut key to run a program, press Ctrl F11. Okay, so it is again a palindrome number. We will check with the another example. Let's say 555. Okay, Ctrl S and Ctrl F11. Okay, and then it is not a palindrome number. So in this way we can write down the palindrome number program. So thank you guys for watching.